Hello and a warm welcome to all Ukrainians in Canada. My name is Max Chowdhury, and I'm from Chowdhury Law Office. Today I have a very important and time-sensitive update that could directly affect your status in Canada and your plans for the future. If you are in Canada, you might be relying on a Ukrainian passport that was extended or one that has your children added to it. Since the 2022 invasion, the Ukrainian government had temporary measures that allowed for the informal extension of passports and for children to be added to the parent's passport. This has now changed. The government of Ukraine is ending these temporary measures. They are returning to international standards, which means passports for those 16 and older are valid for a maximum of 10 years. Passports for children under 16 are valid for a maximum of 4 years. And very importantly, every citizen must have their own separate passport. What does this mean for you here in Canada? This is especially critical if you are a displaced Ukrainian seeking to extend your status before the special measures end on March 31st. Here's the impact. Immigration applications. An informally extended passport may not be considered valid for extending your work permit, study permit, or crucially, for applying for permanent residence. Secondly, international travel. Traveling with one of these extended passports is now a significant risk. International standards, like those from the ICAO, mean that air carriers have the right to deny you boarding if your passport isn't valid for up to 10 years. You must check your passport's validity right away. If you have one of these extended passports, you may need to get a new one. So, what should you do? First, check your passport and your children's documents. If your passport was informally extended or your children are listed on your passport, you need to act. Second, you must apply for a new, valid biometric passport. You can do this for yourself and your children at a Ukrainian embassy, a consulate, or one of the document state enterprise branches. Getting your valid documents in order is the essential first step. Getting your new passport is step one. Step two is securing your future here in Canada. We know this is a stressful time and that March 31st deadline is approaching. Once you have started the process of getting your valid passport, the next step is planning your permanent residence. The rules for immigration are complex, but you don't have to navigate them alone. At Chowdhury Law Office, we are experienced in helping clients with all permanent resident pathways, including the new programs for QUET holders and those with family in Canada. Don't wait until it's too late. Let us help you take that next step with confidence. Visit our website at chowdhurylaw.com to book a consultation. Thank you.